Is HDR looking washed out, dull, faded, or overly bright on your Windows 11 PC? You are not alone because many users experience color issues after enabling HDR, making games, videos, and even the desktop appear less vibrant than expected. So in today's video, we are going to show you several proven methods to fix a washed out HDR on Windows 11 and restore accurate colors and brightness. So the first thing is make sure HDR is correctly enabled in Windows. So I want you to press the Windows key plus the I key to open settings, click System, select Display, and choose your HDR capable monitor. Turn on Use HDR. If HDR was already enabled, try toggling it off and back on. And then remember to adjust the HDR calibration. Incorrect HDR calibration is one of the most common causes of washed out visuals. So open the Microsoft HDR Calibration app, follow the on-screen calibration steps, adjust brightness, you can adjust contrast and color settings carefully. Then save the new HDR profile. After calibration, check whether colors appear more vibrant and accurate. Now, another thing that you need to make sure is to change the SDR brightness. Windows allows you to adjust how HDR content appears while HDR is enabled. So open Settings, navigate to System, Display in HDR, look for the SDR content brightness, and if you can find it, move the slider until desktop colors look natural. Many users find that increasing or decreasing the setting significantly improves image quality. After that, do not forget to update the graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers can cause HDR color and brightness problems. For NVIDIA, open NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience, check for driver updates, install the latest version and restart your computer. You can also do that if you're using AMD. Open AMD software, look for the Adrenaline Edition, check for updates and install the newest driver. And for Intel, open Intel driver and support assistant, update available graphics drivers and restart your computer to see if that works. And then finally, you can verify the monitor HDR settings. Many monitors have separate HDR controls that can affect picture quality. So I need you to open your monitor's on-screen display or OSD, locate HDR related settings, and ensure HDR mode is enabled. Reset picture settings if necessary, and try different HDR presets available on your monitor. Use the correct HDMI or DisplayPort cable. HDR may appear incorrect if the display connection doesn't support sufficient bandwidth. Use a certified HDMI 2.0, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4 or newer cable. You need to avoid damaged or low quality cables and connect directly to the graphics card whenever possible. Remember, if the HDR looks washed out on Windows 11, the problem is usually related to the HDR calibration, SDR brightness settings, graphics drivers, monitor configuration, or color depth settings. A simple restart can sometimes resolve the HDR display glitches, because this refreshes HDR settings and can fix temporary display issues. By following the solutions in this guide, you should be able to restore the proper HDR quality and enjoy richer colors, improved contrast, and a better viewing experience. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.